To start the assembly validation process in BricsCAD, you first need an as-built sequence. An as-built sequence mirrors the order in which the components are assembled in the real world. This sequence can also be used in creating assembly instruction documentation. The assembly inspect command initiates the inspection tool process. Select the newly created as-built sequence in the assembly inspection dialog and verify the steps in the sequence match the build order. In the Configuration tab, select the 3D model of the tool required in the assembly process, and map this to the components it's used on. The next step in the process allows rules and parameters being checked on the assembly to be configured. There are 3 parameters which can be selected to be configured. These are tool usage, global translatability, and visibility. With all parameters configured and tools mapped, the evaluation process can now be run. The results now show the evaluation of each of the rules for each step. Let's look at the results of the connector. As we can see, 2 of the fasteners are quite severely restricted, and the other 2 are restricted also.